Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel TNV Academy. When we talk about energy hungry industries, most people think of steel plants, oil refineries or chemical factories. But here is a surprise. Retail chains are silent energy giants. From supermarkets filled with refrigerators to clothing outlets with endless lighting and air conditioning. Every single store adds to a massive electricity bill. Now, one store may not look like much, but multiply it by hundreds or thousands of stores in a chain, and you suddenly see how retail can become a huge energy consumer. The exciting part, even the smallest energy-saving changes in a single store, when multiplied across a chain, create a massive impact. And that is where ISO 50006 comes into play. Now let's discuss what ISO 50006 brings to retail. ISO 50006 is not about installing solar panels or buying fancy equipment right away. It is about measuring and managing energy wisely. It teaches organizations to use ENPIs, that is Energy Performance Indicators, and ENBs, that is Energy Baselines. In simple words, we can say that ENPIs are your health check numbers. They show how much energy your store uses per square meter, per product sold, or per customer visit. ENBs are your starting line, your before picture. They give you a reference point to track whether you are improving or not. Together, they turn energy management into a measurable, data-driven journey. Now we are going to discuss the energy hotspots in retail chains. Retail energy use is different from factories, but it has its own high consumption hotspots. Lighting is one of the biggest culprits, with thousands of bulbs glowing from opening to closing. Refrigeration eats up huge power in supermarkets, where freezers and chillers run non-stop. HVAC systems ensure shoppers feel comfortable, but they can be major energy drains. Then come electronic systems like POS machines, digital displays, CCTV, and even escalators. On their own, these may not look big, but multiplied across hundreds of stores, they define whether your retail chain is efficient or wasteful. Now we are going to discuss energy baselines and green retail. Energy baselines are not just about bills, they are about brand value. Today, shoppers care about sustainability. A store that can say we have reduced our energy footprint by 20% earns customer loyalty. ISO 50006 helps retail chains link their efforts to bigger goals like ESG reporting. ISO 50001 energy management and corporate net zero commitments. It is no longer just about switching lights off. It is about building trust and reputation as a green, responsible retailer. Now we will discuss the challenges on the ground. Of course, retail managers face challenges. Store sizes vary, making comparisons tricky. Staff may forget to follow energy rules, like leaving lights on or cooling systems running unnecessarily. Upgrading equipment also requires upfront investment, but ISO 50006 makes it easier to handle these hurdles. By using normalized data like kWh per square meter, comparisons become fair. By showing staff real numbers, managers can motivate behavior change. And by tracking ROI, investment in upgrades becomes easier to justify. Small changes, big impact. The biggest beauty of ISO 50006 for retail is that you don't need dramatic changes to see results. A small adjustment is one store, like covering open freezers or adjusting HVAC settings, may save a few $100s a month. But multiplied across a chain of 500 stores, that becomes millions in annual savings. ISO 50006 shows that success doesn't come from one big move, but from many small, consistent improvements that add up. The benefits for retail chains. Retailers adopting ISO 50006 can expect powerful benefits. Financially, they can cut 10 to 20% of energy cost. Operationally, they gain consistency and transparency across the stores. Environmentally, they lower their carbon footprint. Reputationally, they earn the trust of eco-conscious customers. In today's competitive market, a chain that is both affordable and sustainable wins. Retail chains are the beating heart of our shopping world. But they don't just need to sell smart, they need to operate smart. With ISO 50006, they can turn energy management into a science, track performance with baselines, and transform small steps into massive collective impact. So remember, in retail, every bulb, every switch, and every kilowatt counts. And when multiplied across hundreds of stores, small changes don't just save money, they change the future. This is all about today's session. Thanks for watching.